3, 2, 1. This is what I look like without glasses and a hat.
Terrifying.
Who are you? Monica somehow just received a phone call. She has one bar. We haven't been able to contact anyone for the 3 days we've been here.
Yeah, so.
And
it's very strange. I'm in the sweet spot right here.
Yeah, don't move. I left my glasses out at my shower post, aka the ladder on the back of the bus. But we've made the decision to drive to Clarksville, Tennessee, which is about 40 miles away from where we are currently. We're not going to try to do a lot of driving today. We're low on food. We need to connect into Wi-Fi, contact family, make sure they know that we're not dead. Reaping the rewards of another cold, fridged Gatorade. So is Monica. Alright, so we're at the South Visitor Center, or station, filling up water before we take off out of the park. They've got these little spigots set up every so often around the welcome stations, and so got that ran around the bus. Real good about being restocked up though.
Especially at Aldi.
Oh yeah, we love Aldi's forever.
We just spent a lot of time at Starbucks. Cole was uploading our video and I was trip planning for 3-4 hours.
Yeah.
So we have a good 6-hour total trip planned over the next 2 days, probably 2-3 days. We're gonna hit 3 different waterfalls and a couple boondocking campgrounds, so I'm really excited about that.
Yeah, I've kind of had my fill of the city again.
I don't know what kind of area we're in right now. It's not bad, but...
And we just have our driver's door open right now.
Yeah, but it just kind of weird to me for some reason. It's safe, but
it's just
I don't
civilization.
Really like it. Yeah, maybe
that's really what it is.
We're just already not used to being around people.
You pick up on people's karma and vibes a lot more when you're not around them as often, I think.
I think so. Yeah, I'm just super sensitive to people's energy right now.
It's only been a week. We're not going to be able to go into a crowd in a year. All right, we did a little working out. Got showers, more importantly. I got my massage in. We just did lunch. Monica is doing a little cleaning up. Thank you, dear. And we're going to be hitting the road. We've got about 3 hours of driving before we get to our destination this evening, according to my GPS calculation.
This is a long day of driving.
Yeah, my right foot was starting to cramp up a little bit on the gas pedal.
Yeah, I think 3 hours is going to be our max driving time. At
Yeah.
least in like weird terrain.
I think that's about the steepest we can ever get down. Because I was able to take that at about 15, but there was like one point where I felt Harriet kind of starting to get away from me, you know, like she wanted to pick up speed, but luckily it evened out again. So
Yeah.
I'm attempting to hold the camera level right now to illustrate how much of a slant we're at currently. Monica's like whole weight is like leaned forward. These fans are our lifeline. In Monica's oh so lovely words, the sun finally fucked off. Monica's really suffering. I don't think we showed you what her sunburn is currently doing. So it's blistered.
That's what happens when you cook yourself.
This side was even...
The worst.
Yeah, I think so.
Ugh. It's nasty.
And then the mosquitoes just absolutely love her.
Yeah, I covered myself in bug spray and I've already seen one, so if I see one on me, I'm going inside, not coming back out, because I'm so itchy already. It's just crazy.
Well, I've got one mosquito bite on my hip and it's really itchy, so...
Oh, you poor thing.
Man, this view looking out towards the lake, we're in a little bay area. That was my fire dance. Monica's not feeling like swimming, but I definitely am. It's hot. Every time I've jumped in the lake since we've been on this trip, the whole week, it's been a good thing, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that.
The next day.
All right, I got the solar shower taken down. Fire's pretty much out. Just a few things hanging up. And we're gonna end up trying to traverse this bit of a gravel hill going back up to where we started. Between you and I am really nervous about taking the bus back up this hill, especially this gravel part initially here.
All right, we're ready to pull out of this crazy road.
Let's hope.
I think we got this.
I hope we got it.
Just get those front tires on that pavement and we'll be good.
I'm going right up here.
Yeah.
You're rolling?
Yep.
We still got a little bit of an awkward outing because we did bottom out the hitch just a little bit coming in, but this will be fairly smooth sailing past us. We're preparing some snacks for the hike. Apparently it's about 1.5 miles, which is like nuttin' for us, but we haven't been hiking at all, so.
Yeah, it's been a while, hasn't it?
Monica is making some almond and jelly sandwiches and a peanut butter and jelly sandwich for her. I don't like peanut butter, guys.
He's crazy. I'm gonna make you like peanut butter one day. I'm gonna lift the trauma and you'll be there on everyone else's team.
Oh yeah, we're walking, we're going. Seemed like it took us forever.
It always does.
Yeah. Due to extensive structural damage, the metal staircase trails to the base of the falls and the middle falls overlook are closed to the public? What? I really hope we can get to the main falls with that sign back there. We're only like 10 feet on the trail and there's already rushing water, which is awesome. This looks like it used to be a bridge, like a cable bridge. This used to carry water across this. This tree straight up like grew around the cable.
Which way's the way to my crown? You could not slow me down. If I fail, then I will take fall. I look through my...
Stop carving shit in trees, people. What's the point? Stupid. No one gives a shit.
Fractions to place, a shoulder, no face.
So the trail just kind of ends. Burgess Falls Overlook. It's the overlook area that got destroyed. And this just comes out of nowhere.
Knew I could do it alone. All on my own. Be on my own. Alone isn't lonely. Growth is my...
So those falls were crazy. Definitely the largest waterfall we've ever seen. Eh?
Oh yeah.
Spiderweb. Bug. We're gonna hit another waterfall area. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but we're gonna be headed back towards the bus now. The lower portion of the waterfalls is closed due to flood damage, if we're reading the signs correctly.
It's always nice when your bus is still here.
We're home.
And good.
Drink from my sunshine, sip from my rainbows, deliciously mango. I think it's a syndrome, got me so wind blown. Show me the door.
Alrighty, we have made it to the Rock Island State Park Visitor Center. We're gonna pop in, get some AC, get a map.
I'll use our Rock Island visitor map to save him. Ah, there's a giant caterpillar invading the park. Ah. We got to our destination at Twin Falls. The waterfall looks crazy big and I can't even see it but through the woods right now. We're both super overheated right now, especially Monica. So we're gonna be doing some wading in the waters on the up trail, which is only like 0.2 miles. But we definitely need to cool down before we get back on the road in some way, shape, or form. We still don't really know where we're going to be camping tonight either. And by really, I mean we don't know where we're going to be camping tonight yet. The gravel in this lot is super loose. Every single vehicle that's pulled in is spinning out, so we'll be good.
Was not happy with me, but I really wanted to move the bus because it's supposed to rain and we're in this like loose gravel parking lot and it looks terrible and everyone keeps spinning out. So there's paved parking up the way, so we're gonna get out of here. He's an expert parker.
I like a waterfall I don't have to walk to. Two short trails to lead to where we want to go to swim, and of course we took the wrong one, but it led us to the up high point of the area.
Yeah, this is crazy.
So people doing a little jumping off of rocks, which it said not to do.
Fucking sandals.
Holy moly. Is it cold? Nice. Alright, this is some like spring fed shit because it is freezing.
Alright, you guys, it's literally like 30 fucking degrees in here.
It's definitely like in the high 40s probably. I mean, it's cold. And Monica's just been standing here for the last like 15 minutes. You got your glasses on.
I know.
Do you want your hair tie on thing too? Alright, grab me both of those. Hold on.
Oh god. For
Do it.
Oh God, it's so
Just sit on
cold.
your butt. Just go down to your butt.
Okay. Oh my God. You have no idea how cold it is. Count down for me.
3, 2, 1.
I've never been.
Is like
My body's
hypothermic.
like going in shock right now.
It feels good
I
though.
must say I immediately feel better,
Yeah.
but like that's cool. So we've been in for a few minutes, and once we got out, I can't feel my legs. I'm walking, but I cannot feel them. Cole, can you feel your legs?
Yeah, that's just the coldest water
I've
ever swam in.
I can't feel my legs.
Yeah, you've got less body mass.
Yeah.
But they are kind of going numb a little bit. All right, so we're gonna head towards Spring City, and there's a free camp area there. We may stay for a couple nights. It's about an hour and a half away from here, so I think we're gonna try to pack up ship and get out of here so we can get settled in. Yeah, that's different. We'll just walk this way. That's intense. I mean, is that just like a river? Like where's the water coming from? Like through the fucking trees?
No, that's a good point, because it's really flowing fast.
I think there's a deck up there.
There is. There's a little lookout point up there. We're lost in the wilderness.
Let's just go left.
You want to go that way?
Yeah. Exploring.
I know Cole did this because he really wanted to climb these stairs today. Huh?
This is how long the stairs are. I didn't get a shot at the beginning last time.